side of it. We don't fall out this, like, where does this come in at?
Welcome back, everybody. So it's about that time. This CNTower has been stalking me my whole time in Toronto, so we're going to go on ahead and check it out. Don't know if I have fear of heights. The last time I went to the Grand Canyon, I did get a little shaky, and this being the highest observation point in the Western Hemisphere, never know what could happen. So stay along, guys, and we'll see you up there. Looks like we have a pretty cool little train car down here. I wonder if I can go in and check it out. Little depot. See the tracks. Bet you a little tiny train runs through here. Sweet. You got the steam whistle, water tower. Wicked. This is Dawn Station. We give this one a little scout. So cool. And who thought this was going to turn into a train exploration? Raise your hand. Put in the comments. Very cool. A few Instagrammers here taking their poses. We come down here and check out the rest of this little train yard. You're not able to enter into the train itself, but you are able to go up into the little walkway area. These would have separated the different cars. And we have the Toronto, Hamilton, and Buffalo, and the Canadian National. These are steam engines here. Wicked. I'd really like to see the little train come through here. I think that'd be really cool. Little tracks come down, kids riding it. Awesome. Well, that was a nice unexpected surprise. Little train yard tour. Hope y'all enjoyed that. You know, when you don't make plans, these kind of things happen, and I love it. So continuing on our way to the CNTower. Stay tuned. Who knows what we could run into. We got the Ripley's Aquarium over here of Toronto. I hear that one's pretty cool. Might be giving that a check out. I don't know. Depends on how long the CNTower takes. We made our way there. Just got our tickets into the CNTower. Not sure what's up with these debit-only places here in Toronto. I brought nice, hard Canadian dollars to spend. It's proven to be pretty hard to spend all the money that I brought with me. So we got the 10 a.m. ticket, and we're gonna go up top and check out the views. They have something here called the Edge Walk. I was looking at this last night. Don't think I'm gonna partake of this. You're suspended by bungee and just basically hanging off the corner of the CNTower. Insane. Looks like they have a few famous people here that have partaken of it. Jada Pinkett Smith. We won't mention Will Smith in this episode. This is the CNTower here. We're gonna go up to the main observation level. It's 346 meters. Then maybe have lunch in the restaurant. Hey, good morning. Thank you very much. Going to the top. Retail goods for sale for a profit. I can't believe it. It's pretty rad. Pardon me? A little history of the tower construction. I'll read this on the way back. I hear that the needle on top is as big as a football field, and that it averages 75 strikes of lightning a year. It's pretty cool. I mean, you know, it's one every 4 days. Hello, kitty. But this Toronto cat will let me pet its belly. Just a good boy. Just a good boy. Had my cat time. This is cool. This little moose here. Canadia's finest. Cool. Tower. They build the anticipation. Is this all the way to the top, the little part? All right, let's go.
Okay, so good morning and welcome to the CNTower. The ride up, 58 seconds, speed 22 kilometers per hour. You do have a city view. The view panels are there at your feet, and once that door closes, there is a couple people coming. I will add them in and send you guys up. Please enjoy the building. It's a great day to be here.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What's the sign of it? We don't fall out this, like, where does this come in at? Look at you, good Jordy, man.
Ooh.
Way out here.
Oh.
Now just stand up here and
Gorgeous.
don't fly out.
Excuse me, pardon me. Wow. Coming out to the bay now, overlooking the bay. Very cool. Look at me, I'm on top of the world. Almost. Still got one more level to go. Highest point in the Western Hemisphere. We're gonna conquer it together. Excuse me. Hello, little people. So amazing. So amazing. This puts Toronto into scope. I said earlier it felt like a little city. Not anymore. So this deck rotates, I believe, every 70-something minutes. Makes a full revolution. So if you're sitting down in one of the spots in the cafe, you'll be able to catch a view of all of Toronto, 360-degree panorama. All right, so we just got our ticket to the Skypod, the highest observation deck in the Western Hemisphere. So we're going to check that one out here in about 11 minutes. So we'll sit down and chill time. This one up here is pretty high already. So this next one, I hear that you can feel the building sway a little bit, maybe 1.5 feet each way. So that'll be kind of interesting. Take you along. All right, next stop, highest observation in the Western Hemisphere.
The highest observation in the Western Hemisphere. When you step out of the elevator, look up. The large plug box hanging from the ceiling is still. It's the tower that's moving. Please keep your hands clear of the door and watch your step as you exit the elevator.
Man, how you doing?
How are you?
Good. All right, we made it. Highest point in the Western Hemisphere. I can feel the building rocking a little already. Let's check it out. Yes, you just gotta walk all the way around. We made it, Ma. Top of the world. Here in Toronto.
Yeah. See you later. Pretty Oh, wait, I didn't tell me this. Yeah.
Literally about a year later, they did the same breakfast day. You know, we'd have breakfast where the bum went on.
CNTower, very impressive what you got. I'm gonna go ahead and call it here and head back down. Maybe have a little lunch in the restaurant and check out the gift shop and get back down. So, see you back down on the main deck. And this is where we are. Skypod, 447 meters up. Good times, good times. So I don't know if y'all can see this thing moving, but it shows you just how much it is swaying up here. And we are cocked to the right in this location. You can feel it. Thank you. It's good meeting you, Varun. Nicest guy in Toronto.
Thank you,
Good guy.
have a good day.
All right, Varun.
Thank you.
Figured eventually get funneled into the retail goods section. I think we've been in enough Canada stores to get the feel of what they have available in here. Oh, it's a cool little spot. Alright, we survived. Back down here to ground level. Looking forward to it because I'm having a little nicotine fit. Wish I could stop smoking, but too much stress is in my life. Yeah, and here we are. Back out. Alright, and I think that's what we're going to call this one a wrap. That was CNTower, day in the life of Jason in Toronto. Very much fun. The restaurant had a reservation, so didn't feel like waiting the hour that it would have took me to get seated, so I'm gonna go find something else to eat, maybe check out that Chung Chung, and yeah. So that was CNTower, guys. Hope you enjoyed it as much as me. Comment down below, like this video, appreciate it as always, and until the next one, you guys take it easy. See you later.